Welcome to a Keis instructional video, and today we're going to be taking a look at installing the power cable directly to your motorcycle's battery. The tools required are going to vary from bike to bike, but generally you're going to need a socket set, potentially some screwdrivers, at least obviously the cable and the included fuses. Don't forget a hot drink too. On most bikes the battery's under the seat, so you want to take that off first. Now you notice on the battery you have a positive and a negative terminal. The colors are red and black respectively. Always disconnect the negative, which is the black cable, first. Once the terminals are removed, we're ready to install the cable. You want to install the positive first, then the black, which is the negative. Replace the battery, and now we're going to take a look at routing the cable. Make sure that you put it somewhere that's easily accessible. Make sure that there's not any tension on it, it's not tight, it's not wrapped around anything it shouldn't be, and wherever you do put it, it doesn't interfere with normal operation of the bike. There comes a point when installing the cable that you're going to need to install the fuse. If you're not sure which fuse to use, that rhymed, head to your Keis instruction manual. There's a page in here that tells you everything that you need to know. Consult this. Again, if you're not sure, ask someone who knows what they're doing to help you. Wherever you do position the power socket, make sure you've done it somewhere convenient so that you can easily connect your Keis gear to it. That's it, you're done. In the time it took to drink a hot coffee or a cup of tea, you've installed your power cable, the source is in the correct place, the fuse is in, and you're ready to go. My knee, I'm so old. Oh my God, my leg is numb. Oh.